All right, so we are going to show you guys step by step process of drawing a female face. Here I'm just drawing a simple circle. See, simple circle that's really light. This is all with a ballpoint pen. So this is all right here. Trying to get close so you guys can see. There we go. All with a ballpoint pen. Working on her shoulders. Now I'm just doing the quick. I always make it look more rectangular of the eyes, just to see if I'm, because whenever I draw like this, it's just a placeholder. Like, will I put the eyes there? I'm not sure, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it there. And that's the same thing I'm gonna be doing here with the nose as well. Just, quick placeholders. The thing about what a woman's nose, of course, is a lot softer compared to a male, right? The mouth, just leaving it really basic, right? Basic with the mouth. So right now everything looks like a bunch of ovals and lines. It's because, you're just trying to sculpt it, trying to figure out where and how is it going to be placed. Now I'm going a little bit darker. Because once you got quick oval of the ears, now you could kind of just get right into a bit more of the structure. Right, our lips are there, bit of a chin right there. Now it's starting to sculpt it out more. Now you're starting to see more of the information. Here I'm just gonna make her hair have a bit of a, widow's peak, as if she's like have her hair more like in a ponytail. Continuing with sculpting out the face. You see how it's gradually getting darker and darker, because now I'm starting to make more commitments towards this sketch. Again, drawing this out of my imagination, right? So now looking at it, you're like, it doesn't fully look like a female. Trust and believe. The more detail I put into it, you're gonna start seeing it pop out more. Because now I'm working on her nose. Of course, females, their noses, again, much more narrow. Nose is there. Now it's time to work on the eyes. And what's interesting about women's eyes is that that's really the determining factor, right? Because especially when their eyes are big, or if it's exaggerated with it being slender. Regardless of the situation, it really does captivate the femininity of a woman's eyes, compared to a male that looks much more weathered, looks more brash. All right, so this right here, I'll make her just look straight towards, almost said camera, towards the viewer. Camera, viewer, tomato. Looking at the direction. So working on the eyes. Add some detail on the eyes. Gonna make it much more bigger. The eyes look much more bigger. Now after this, it'll work on the eyebrows. Alright. Working on her eyelids a little bit. Now working on her mouth. In the mouth, you know, you always want to captivate the volume of the lips. Not every woman have voluptuous lips. I like personally showcasing that. That's just my personal preference. To continue to just now starting to darken out the areas, because now I'm making more of a bold commitment on her face. A bit of a contour right here. A little bit of a contour. Darkness right here, always. It's because of the head. Creates more volume. I'm going really light with the shadows. I don't want to make it too dark. The lips pop out. I'm going to add some shadows right here. And just continuing from the left, from the right to the left, just going back and forth with the lights and shadows, so that way the volume of her face can pop out more. I'm just, you know, just dabbling it too. I'm not like going extremely heavy. Since this is a render, I like to just play around with the pen, not going too heavy, so it can just pop out with some of the highlights on her face. Now, of course, since this is in the back, I'm gonna make this darker. Only makes sense since it's all the way in the back of her ponytail. The back of her hair is gonna be darker. And right here, just make that a little bit darker. Add some shadows on the ear. Right now. And here it is. Drawing of a female. So let me just pick this up so you guys can see even closer. This is like, there it is. There it is, people. The drawing of a female from a frontwards view, a front view. So what do you guys think in the comment section below? You guys want me to do more stuff like this? Let me know. All right. And throw your suggestions. All right. And don't forget to like the video, thumbs it up, like the video. All right. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out of here.